You know, I'd be willing to bet that you formed some opinions about YouTube and what it is and who it's for. Well, I did too when I first discovered YouTube. It was probably 10 years ago or so that I formed an account, but I never really posted anything. And when I first started watching it, I saw a lot of young kids doing a lot of crazy stunts and things. My first opinion was, this is for kids. But I did some research on YouTube and things I liked, and I would find repair stuff for the house and repair stuff for the car, and I started watching it. And I had a total misconception about YouTube, and I bet you did too. And I'm going to show you had a misconception by showing you a statistic. So if you're like me and you want to start a YouTube channel, and let's say you're over 40 years old, or, you know, like me, I'm actually over 50 years old. You want to start a YouTube channel, but in the back of your mind, you keep thinking, well, that's just for kids and crazy stunts on skateboards and bicycles and doing tire spinning with cars and things like that. You just think it's for kids. Well, that's not necessarily true, because about an hour ago, I checked my YouTube analytics, which shows me who's watching my videos and what their age range is. Now, I was surprised to see that 25 to 34 is the top of the level, but not by much, by like 2 percentage points. The rest of the age groups that make up the people that watch my videos range from 35 to 65 or older. I was blown away. What that tells me is we, as older adults, we're kind of taking over YouTube. We're using it as a way to keep in touch with each other, to have an outlet, to teach the younger group things. We're taking over YouTube. So if you're over 40 and you're wanting to start a YouTube channel, but you really think it's for the kids and not for anybody else, you couldn't be more wrong. I'm going to show you that statistic right here, so you can take a look at it with your eyes and see what I saw. So you'll see that older adults are using YouTube just as much, if not more, than the young kids. Over 40, over 50, heck, over 60 and thinking about starting a YouTube channel, today's the day. We're there. We're there. We're making that content. We're figuring this out. We didn't grow up with this stuff, but we're going to take over. Don't be afraid to start your channel if you're over 40 or 50 or even 60. I hope this helped you. I hope it gave you some encouragement. Now go get that camera out and make a video. All right, guys. Thanks for joining me. I really appreciate it. Make sure to give us a like, subscribe to our channel so you know when the new videos come out. And you know, if you don't subscribe, there's a bad thing that happens. YouTube will not push my videos if I don't have subscribers. So I'm asking you, if you would, and you like what I produce, please subscribe to the channel so YouTube will push it out so more people over the age of 35 can get this information. Thanks, guys. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.